Good morning, students. Today I will teach you about class 12 history first chapter bricks, beads and bones, जिसमें हम भारत की सबसे प्राचीन सभ्यता सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे. The Indus Valley civilization holds an important place among the ancient river valley civilizations of the world. The civilization of India is also very ancient, like the civilizations of Egypt and Mesopotamia. Not only this civilizations was more developed than the civilizations of Egypt and Mesopotamia in the field of building construction and town planning. Harappa, which was the main center of the civilization and which first came to the light, is named these civilizations as Harappan civilizations. It was called Indus Valley civilizations because its initial stage and main centers came to the light in the Indus River Valley. Later, the remains of Indus Valley civilizations were also found in the area outside the Indus Valley. Information about Harappan civilization यानी हड़प्पा सभ्यता या इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशंस के जानकारी के सोर्सेस क्या क्या है. Information about the Harappan civilizations comes from the only archaeological evidences. No literary sources available during this period, so that one can get information about this civilization. Although the inhabitants of these civilizations were familiar with the writing arts and their writings were also found, but they have not yet been read satisfactorily. So we have to study various aspects of this civilization on the basis of sources obtained from excavation and the remains of buildings. Today we see the elaborated form of the Harappan civilization. It has taken a very long time and diligence to get this information. Charles Mason was the first to confirm the evidences of remains of an ancient civilization at a place called Harappa in 1826 AD. In 1875 AD, the famous archaeologist Alexander Cunningham, who was the first Director General of Archaeological Survey of India, and he is often called the father of Indian archaeology, was received information about these civilizations. From here, he also received a scripted seal whose date is unknown. The remains of building were also scattered everywhere, seeing which Cunningham had predicted an ancient city here. But he did not pay special attention to this great civilization. Even after Cunningham neglected for a long time, and nobody's attention was attracted to this. In 1921, the direction of Sir John Marshall, Rai Bahadur Dayaram Sahni was excavated the Harappan site and brought it to light. And the expansion of Harappan civilization, मतलब हड़प्पा सभ्यता का विस्तार कहाँ कहाँ था, इसका क्षेत्र कहाँ कहाँ पाया जाता है. Sites related to these civilizations have also been found in Balochistan, Sindh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Ganga's Valley and other places. It extended from Sutkagendor in Balochistan in the west to Alamgirpur in Uttar Pradesh in the east, and from Mandu, Jammu in the north, and Daimabad in Maharashtra in the south. Important sites of Indus Valley civilizations in Pakistan: Mohenjo-daro, Harappa and Chanhudro. Mohenjo-daro on Indus River, Harappa on River Ravi and Chanhudro on Indus River. ये सारी साइट्स यानी ये तीनों जो इम्पोर्टेंट साइट है पाकिस्तान पाए जाते हैं. इंडिया में जो साइट्स है, इन इंडिया जो मेन साइट्स हैं इसके इंडिया में, उसमें कालीबंगा इन राजस्थान, रोपड़ इन पंजाब, लोथल, धौलावीरा, रंगपुर, सुटगोडरा इन गुजरात एंड राखीगढ़ी एंड बनावली इन हरियाणा. ये इसके मेन साइट्स हैं. इसके अलावा भी बहुत से साइट्स हैं, लेकिन ये इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशंस के मेन साइट्स हैं. Chronology of Indus Valley civilizations. Various scholars have given different dates about this civilization. लेकिन इस सिविलाइजेशंस के बारे में हम जो एक मेन चीज निकाल सकते हैं उसमें इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशंस was established around 3300 BC and it's flourished between, यानी इसका हम प्रारंभ 3300 BC के आसपास मान सकते हैं, लेकिन इसका जो फ्लोरिस्ड यानी एक तरह से जो उन्नत अवस्था थी, जो फ्लोरिस्ड सबसे एकदम उन्नत अवस्था थी, फ्लोरिस्ड बिटवीन 2600 BC टू 1900 BC, जिसको हम मेच्योर हड़प्पन टाइम पीरियड मान सकते हैं। इसके बाद इट स्टार्टेड डिक्लाइनिंग, यानी इसका डिक्लाइन स्टार्ट हो गया अराउंड 1900 BC एंड डिसअपीयर्ड अराउंड 1400 BC, यानी ये 1900 BC के बाद से इसका डिक्लाइन चालू हो गया और ये 1400 BC आते आते डिसअपीयर्ड हो गया। डिक्लाइन ऑफ द हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन और इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशंस. Various reasons have been suggested by various scholars for the decline of the Indus Valley civilizations. Some major reason for the downfall or decline of these civilizations are flood, climate change, invasion of Aryans, epidemic, earthquake, and maximum utilization of रिसोर्सेज, यानी कि सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता या हड़प्पा सभ्यता के पतन के बारे में भी विद्वानों में विभेद है और उन्होंने इसके कई कारण बताए हैं। और इतनी बड़ी सभ्यता का विनाश हम किसी एक कारण से नहीं मान सकते, क्योंकि इतनी बड़ी सभ्यता का विनाश किसी एक कारण से हुआ हो ऐसा नहीं माना जा सकता। हम इतनी बड़ी सभ्यता के विनाश का कोई एक कारण नहीं मान सकते, इसलिए हम ये मानते हैं कि इस सभ्यता के विनाश के पीछे कई कारण रहे होंगे। और इसकी आगे का, इस चैप्टर के आगे का पार्ट्स अगले वीडियो में। थैंक यू।